Okay, so in response to the Pro-Team's global warming contention number 1, global warming will only lead to carbon leakage because companies will relocate to countries that do not have the carbon tax, and there will be less jobs in the United States. We may emit less carbon in the United States, but the amount emitted globally will remain the same. This is global warming, not American warming. Number 2, trying to prevent global warming will only harm the people and economy. In fact, China spent over $37 billion in creating the Three Gorges Dam hydroelectric dam and displaced over 1.3 million people. Number 3, the impact is far away. Global warming won't have large effects for decades. We can develop many other solutions before then. We need to focus on short-term problems like the economy. Furthermore, scientists have been trying to look for alternatives for decades. Putting a carbon tax won't make a difference. Number 4, it doesn't stop global warming. A carbon tax won't reduce CO2 emissions that much. Brad Plumer, writing for the Washington Post, said, "A carbon tax might not make a significant dent in the United States' global warming emissions. Modern economies are so heavily dependent on fossil fuels that there's only so much we can reasonably cut back. Alternatives aren't readily available yet. With a carbon tax, emissions do start declining, but by 2030, emissions levels stall. The United States won't get anywhere near the 80% cut by 2050. Thus, carbon tax will have little impact. People have to commute to work and will still emit the same amount of carbon." Thank you.